I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and app. Plug in power if battery is low, and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once done, open the official Messages Recovery app and grant storage and SMS permissions. Without them, the scan cannot access data. Make a quick local backup directly from the app to an external SD or cloud location. This protects current files. While backing up, watch for any permission prompts and accept only trusted requests so you don't block the process. You now run the deep scan. Select full device or limit to messaging folders to save time, then start the advanced scan. As the scan progresses, use date ranges, contact names, or keyword filters to reduce noise and focus on the messages you need. Once the app lists recoverable items, preview specific conversations to verify integrity. Mark the messages you want to restore and choose an export format such as TXT or CSV. Make sure to export to the backup location you created earlier. You complete the process by restoring the selected messages to your messaging app or exporting them for safekeeping. Choose the option that matches your workflow. Once restored, verify a few conversations to ensure timestamps and attachments are intact. If a restore fails, retry using a stable USB connection, and on Android, temporarily enable USB debugging in developer options. This often resolves permission issues. If problems persist, collect the app's diagnostic log and contact support. They can analyze corruption or provide alternate recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.